Okay, continue for the exercise 4.1. So we are going to search for the compositions of raffinate extract and its flow rates, and also the percentage of acetic acid removal. So for this graph, first you need to plot the coordinate of V2. So we know the V2 is 0, 0, 1. So we have C1 and A0. And also your L0 here. So L0 is A 0.4 and C0. So just ignore the where the coordinate lies. Just plot in your graph paper. So you need to have your so we don't know how what is your V1 and L1, but we know the compositions of your M coordinate here. So you plot A and C for M coordinate. So next is you need to use the ruler. So you need to use the ruler and your line for, we are going to find the V1 and also the L1. Your line for your coordinate, which is connecting between your V1 and also L1, must pass through your M coordinate. So for example, this line had been drawn L0, M, and V1. So you need to guess to make a try and error for this line. And then next, what you are going to do is from your V1 here, so you need to extend, sorry. So V1 here, so you need to extend until here. So I remove the ruler first. Okay, so you need to extend from your V1 from the top to the bottom to your equilibrium line here, and then for your 45 line, and then go to up. So if this line is touched to your L0, so then your line is correct. So if it is not touched, you need to try until your V1 go to the bottoms to the equilibrium line, and then go up. It must touch your L1. If not, your try and error for your line for your V1 and L1 is wrong. So after you're having this perfect line, so you can then calculate read the coordinate of your C and your A. So you can get your B by minus 1 minus A and C. So same goes to your L1. So you can read the coordinate of your C and also your A. So remember, when you put the coordinate, it must lies on your line for your equilibrium line here. So it must touch. Okay, only your L0 and your V2 touch the axis. Okay, so after read your V1 and L1, now you can put in the balance equation and you will calculate your V1 and L1, and then you find the percentage of the removal. Okay, that's all. Thank you.